along with weight loss, building muscle is one of the primary reasons people join a gym. After all, gaining lean muscle not only looks good, it is also important to your overall health. With increased muscle mass, you will experience improved posture, joint protection, stronger bones, stronger joints and tendons, better metabolism, athletic ability, and balance. As you are on a muscle building journey, let's look at the 5 most common muscle building mistakes to avoid. 1. Not eating enough. All that time in the gym, pounding away at the weights may be all for nothing if you are not taking enough calories. This is because without being in a calorie surplus, you will make muscle building very difficult for yourself. It is important to remember calories are needed to fuel your workouts and to help your muscles to repair and grow. 2. Not consuming enough protein. Protein is important for many functions in the body. It is also important in the process of muscle building now as muscle protein synthesis. The process of your workout will be to break down the muscle fibers with microscopic tears, and when they repair they will build back bigger. Over time this increases muscle mass. 3. Not drinking enough water. Your body is made up of 2/3 water. One of that 2/3 of that water is found in your muscle. Your muscle cells are made up of protein and water, and if you want to gain more of it, you need to increase your water intake. 4. Overtraining. Training breaks your muscle tissue down and then repairs it afterward. It might seem logical that the more you work out, the more muscle building you will accomplish. However, this isn't the case, as training too often can cause your body to burn out because your body will not be getting the rest time to do so. This can increase your stress hormones, leading to injuries and even sickness, as it can suppress your immune system. 5. Not getting enough sleep. After nutrition, sleep is what encourages your body to repair and recover. If you deprive yourself of sleep, you are interrupting the growth and repair process. Sleep deprivation can elevate your stress hormones, making gaining body fat easier, drag your energy level down, and negatively affect your workout. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel.